Next, nervous system. See, nervous system as to composed to brain and nerve cell, especially in structural and functional unit of nerve cell is called neuron. As nervous system, as a general nervous system, and is divided into nervous system divided into three: general nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system are there. General nervous system consists of look like our body, brain, and spinal cord, and there is cranial nerves as to 12, and also there is spinal nerves are there. 31 in that is spinal nerves, and ANS compares to sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system are there. Brain, where is located as here, cranial cavity is covered by thin follicular membrane is called meninges. The meninges is like parameter and biometer arachnoid membrane. There is no that. Each as a brain is divided into three regions is called prosencephalon, mesencephalon, and rhombencephalon here, because it consists of forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Forebrain consists of olfactory lobe, Vesica, this and cerebrum hemisphere. Diencephalons are there. The right and left cerebral hemisphere connected by transverse tissue is called corpus callosum. See, look like given to example of rabbit brain. And midbrain it consists of including optical lobe, as hindbrain is consists cerebrum, pons varioli, medulla oblongata. There is well detailed explained for another one lesson of each nervous system. Next, urinogenetical system are there. The system is composed by urinary and excretory system, and genetical or reproductive system are there. Therefore, as usually described, urinogenetical system, both are excretory system and reproductive system are composed is known as a urinogenetical system. Excretory system, each kidney made up of several nephron, because nephron it is a structural and functional unit of kidney. It separated and nitrogen wastes from the blood and excess to form of urea and eliminated way to the water through urethra. See, the kidney has a color is dark or red or bean shaped in nature, and kidney is shaped in nature because there is a bean shaped organ. So where is located abdominal cavity, each kidney arose to ureter. C as to open to posteriorly or urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is temporary storage of urine and lead to as a thick and muscular trunk is called urethra. See where is eliminated waste of the through urethra and is connected through the penis. And next, reproductive system mostly is a rabbit sexual dimorphism seen here, as male and female sex are separated. There is a morphologically is well differentiated. Male reproductive organ consists of as look like your body. See, that's why it's called a rabbit is a well experiment animal for during that corona test vaccine are innovated. The type before we are to allow to the vaccination. There is a rabbit is one of the good experimental animal, because there is a genetically our look like a resemble. See, there is a male reproductive system. Rabbit consists of pair of testes are ovid and safe in nature. There are enclosed by the testes enclosed by scrotal sac, because male enclosed by scrotal sac, the abdominal cavity. Each testis sac consists of numerous tubule like seminiferous. Next, each network of tubules lead to called epidermis is lend stem to sperm and act as ways called vas deferens. Vas deferens joins to urethra, just look like as if below the urinary bladder. Urethra run backward to pass through the penis. There are three accessory glands are there, namely prostate gland, Cowper gland, and perineal gland. See, perineal gland are there. There is secretion involved reproductions. And next, female reproductive system. See, the female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries. There are small and rabbit consists of ovary, each of small ovid like structure beginning of the abdominal kidney, cavity. See the pair of oviduct that lead to funnel shaped opening is known as each side of ovary. Anterior part of the oviduct is called a fallopian tube. A sleeve to wider as tube is called ureterus. Ureterus joined together form of median of tube is called vagina. It's a common tube formed union of urinary bladder and vagina is called urinogenital. Its canal is called vestibule. It's run to backward and open to exterior slit of aperture called vulva. The pair of copper gland and perineal gland and accessory gland present in female reproductive system. These are all area to well learn previous classes like rabbit.